Congratulations to the 2020-2021 fellowships at the Baden Academy Media Lab. Kendall Hare, a third grader, has a new fellowship all tangled up, investigating the hazards that our wildlife have encountered with some of the trash we're leaving behind. Aquatic robotics is teaching the world about new and amazing under, over, and on the sea robots. Congratulations, Oliver and Ramon. Felicity and Darius are back again with anti-drowning technology. Jerome is working hard on the Baden Dreams Entrepreneurship Program. Ava, Mackenzie, and Ronnie are heading up the Birds Above Baden, partnered with Cornell Ornithology. Mrs. Page is being joined by Ayana and Harmony in discovering Beaver County's rich traditions in Black history. Grace Beaver is taking over the Sun Superheroes. Dionisi Dudkowitz is heading up the Dragon Tag Programming Club. Ariane and Damari are working with the Rare Earth Elements team. Jonah Felder partners with Mrs. Melanie Houston in Houston Solution. Briar, Felix, Zoe, Lily, Alec, and Ainsley are preparing to build a virtual Baden Academy in Roblox. Braylon Williams and Owen McNear are doing a game, Smoke Jumper Academy. Franco Caputo is working with cell phone sensors, coming up with some pretty amazing inventions. Molly and Madison are back with Take Action. Wyland and Sadie will be testing their game Endangered Wildlife with some of our grade levels. Peyton and JJ are continuing to work with first grade with pollinators. They'll be getting some dirt and seeds down to our first graders soon. Noah, Sydney, and Matthew continue with the Sustainable Water team, investigating where our water comes from, where it goes, and the processes we use to keep it clean. Noah Steffler is heading up a new after-school club, Co-Spaces, where kids are playing in virtual and augmented reality. This year's Future City team is headed by Abby Bird. Good luck as they build a new city on the moon. The fun guys are back with their composting lessons. Lyra, Rory, and Anne, we can't wait to see what we learn from you this year. Sophie Pinella is heading up our TED Ed clubs, leading 6 new TED Ed speakers into their adventure this year. Lillian and Raymond are working on the Lewis and Clark Keeled Boat at Logstown adventure. Anaya and Elizabeth are back again for Mega Math Mistakes. Adrian Catterson has taken over the chess club. Amaya Higgins is back with Kids' Hearts, and she'll be working with doctors at Children's Hospital to write a children's book about Dr. Zuber Bueller. Cabela and Tracer head up our Baden Academy Future Engineers Club. Jackson, Oliver, Connor, and George are exploring human emotions expressed in the Faces Project. Alec, Gavin, Joel, and Gianna are cooking up molecular gastronomy recipes. Madeline and Ethan head up our Nerd Battalion once again. Hannah Kevlish has taken over our Organized Kids Project. Carter Vallant is running the Robotics Club. Jameson and Parker are together celebrating famous contemporary mathematicians and their discoveries. Our Gone Fission crew, Jazir is joining Joey and Asher to continue working on the video game about the nuclear power plant in Midland. Jack, Nadia, Lila, and Jocelyn are back again as the plastic pollution police. Jonathan Ritchie is taking on the difficult topic of leukemia in our school as he prepares a children's book. And Amir Davis is working on another children's book about Desmond Doss, hero of Hackshaw Ridge. Haley and Marley are going to be working with our kindergarten in the secret garden behind the building. And finally, two girls unafraid to get their hands dirty, Vera and Kendall, with a worm composting project, making dirt with worms and compost. Very proud of all of our research fellows at Baden Academy this year. Good luck to each of you.